Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys my super simple nighttime routine after my big chop. It's pretty simple for the most part, but let's check it out. Alright, so what I'm going to be using first is my Salon Pro Vitamin E Formula Hair Food with shea butter. With that, I'm going to be putting about a quarter size amount in my hands. And then I'm going to rub that together, get it nice and warm. And I'm going to rub that all over my head. Smoothing it all in there. And my eyes are closed because this feels really good, by the way. Okay, once that's done, now I'm going to be taking my coconut oil, dry oil mist, and I'm going to be spraying about a quarter size amount in my hands as well. And rub that together nice and warm. And I'm going to rub that all over my head just to lock in the moisture that the hair food oil gave me. Smoothing it all out. Now I'm going to be taking my brush. It's about medium, so it's not too hard and it's not too soft. And I'm going to be brushing my hair in the direction that I usually like it to go in. So the front's going to be towards the front. Well, the top's going to be towards the front. The back is going to be towards the bottom. And I'm just going to go all around my head. I'm going to do this a couple of times. I know y'all see them waves coming in. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Now I'm going to be taking my Durag. Yes, I sleep with a Durag. It is very comfortable and very good for your hair, especially when you're trying to have it lay flat, because a lot of time my scarves don't do the job for me. So you're going to make sure that line that's there in the front is actually on the outside of the Durag when you put it on your head. So you're going to put that on. Pull down in the back just to make sure it's nice and straight. And I'm going to wrap, well, crisscross actually, the two strings that hang. So let me show you. Crisscross that there, and I'm going to bring it to the front. And I'm also going to crisscross them in the front as well. I'm going to put them back to the back and tie them into like a little bow. Pull it down just to make sure it's nice and flat. Okay. And I'm going to take off all my jewelry and accessories and get ready for bed because I'm tired. And that's usually my nighttime routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. Good night.